Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, we have what we have today is without using tables or calculators, evaluate 0.09 times 1.21 divided by 3.3 times 0.00025, leaving the answer in standard form. Okay, now they want us to evaluate this question, and they don't want us to use tables. What we mean by that is they're using logarithm tables or using calculators to to evaluate. All right, so this is the question. So solution. Okay, so we have a 0.09 times 1.21 over 3.3 times 0.00025. Okay, so what we need to do here, since they said they want the answer to be in the standard form, it means all these values here, we put them in what? We put them in the standard form. So looking at this one here, so 0.09, that would be, if we change it to standard form, that would be 9 times 10 raised to power minus 2, which means if you take this decimal point, how many movement are we making when we take it to this place? So it will be 1 and 2. So that's why we're having this minus 2 there, times, looking at this decimal point, let's take it and move it to this last point here. How many movement are we making? We are making 1, 2. So this will be 121 times 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by, looking at this, how many movement are we making? We are just making 1. So this will be 33 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 1. Okay, times, so let's take this decimal and move it to this last point here. So how many movement are we making? We are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 25 times 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay, so what do we do with this? So let's bring them together. So the whole numbers, so this will be 9 times 121 times times, if you add this and this, minus 2 under the normal standard form. So, and this is addition, so this will be 10 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 2 minus 2 over, this will be 33 times 25 times what? Minus 1 minus 5. So that will be 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so that will mean, so looking at what we have here, so that will be 9 times 121 times 10 raised to power minus 2 minus 2. That's a minus 4 divided by 33 times 25 times 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 5. That's a minus 6. Okay, so what can divide? Okay, 3 in 9, 3, 3 in 33, 11, 11, 1, 11 here, 11. Okay, can anything divide? No. So 3 times 11, that's 33 over 25 times, so 10 raised to power minus 4. This is a division sign, and in the indices, lots of indices, the division sign is minus. So we have minus, then divided by what? Minus 6. So this will be 3325 times 10 raised to power minus 4, minus times minus plus 6. So 33 divided by 25. If you divide this, you'll be having 1.32 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 4 plus 6. That's 2. So this is your answer. So that's it. That's it for this question. we've evaluated it, and we leave our answer in what? In standard form. So any question, put it in the comment section, and let the conversation begins from there. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.